Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java puzzles, let us go with one more new puzzle in this video. Here we have taken a class Java puzzle 33 and in main method we are going with three strings, string S1, S2 and S3. And see S1 equal to new string of apple, we are creating object here S1 equal to new string apple. S2 is we are creating one more new string mango, and we are assigning S1 value to S2. We are assigning S1 value to S2, and again now S1 equal to new string of orange. Now S1 is pointing to orange string, and we are saying finally S2 equal to S3. We are assigning S2 value to S3, and we are finally printing the value of S3 here. And let us see the options for this code. The options are like S3, the value of S3 it's going to print as apple, or it may print mango, orange, or it may go with compile type error. Now let me elaborate what will be the output for this. Now understand step by step and draw the diagram. Draw the diagram, then you won't do any mistake when this type of puzzles or code is given to us. Now see first one, S1 equal to new string apple. So what is going to happen in the heap memory? So whenever we are creating objects, the string objects or any objects, it will be allocated in heap memory, and first it's going to create an object apple. It's going to create what object here? Apple, string object apple, and S1 is referring to this string apple. Now again the next line, S2 equal to new string mango. We are creating one more new object mango. We are creating one more new object mango, and S2 is referring to this mango. Then next you are writing S2 equal to S1, means we are assigning S1 value to S2. So S1 is pointing to what here? Apple. Now when you write S2 equal to S1, now S2 is now going to point to this apple. Now S2 is going to point to apple. It no longer points to this mango object. It's no longer points to this what? Mango object here. Now S2 is pointing to which object? The string object apple. Now the next one, you are writing S1 equal to new string orange. So whenever we are saying new string, one more new object orange will get created. It's going to create one more new object here, orange. Then S1 is pointing to this object orange, and S1 no longer points to this apple. Now see finally what you are writing, S3 equal to S2. So S2 is pointing to which object now? Apple. S2 is pointing to which object? Apple. Now when you are writing S3 equal to S2, means we are assigning S2 to S3. S3 now points to which object now? Apple. Now S3 points to which object now? Apple. So when you are printing system.out.println S3, S3 is pointing to which object here? Apple. Then the output of this program is what here? Apple. Then after completion of this code, which object is ready for garbage collection? Which object is no longer pointed here? Which object is no longer pointed? Apple is pointed by S2 and even S3, and orange is pointed by S1. So the object which is no longer referenced is mango. So this object will be ready for garbage collection. So the objects which are no longer referenced are ready for what? Garbage collection. And during garbage collection process, these objects will get destructed. And one more important feature of Java, Java is automatic garbage collection. Our work is only to allocate memory for objects. Destruction of memory is taken care by Java, as Java is automatic garbage collection. And during garbage collection process, this object will be destructed by the garbage collector. So what is the correct output of this program? The A option, apple. S3 is pointing to which object? Apple here. The correct output is apple, right? So that's about in this code. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.